The deep neural network explains in detail the role of the Python program for neural connection and calculations in sales forecasting in AI models. Sales forecasting in AI models typically involves the use of deep neural networks, DNNs, for predicting future sales based on historical data and various input features. Let's break down the role of Python programs in implementing neural connections and calculations for sales forecasting AI models. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. 1. Data preparation. Python libraries like pandas are often used to load and pre-process historical sales data. This involves cleaning the data, handling missing values, and structuring it for training the DNN. 2. Feature engineering. Python code is used to engineer relevant features from the data. This may include extracting time-based features, creating lag variables, or encoding categorical data. 3. Data splitting. The dataset is typically split into training, validation, and test sets using Python libraries like scikit-learn or TensorFlow's data pre-processing tools. These subsets are essential for training, validating, and evaluating the model. 4. Model architecture. Python's deep learning frameworks such as TensorFlow or PyTorch are used to define the architecture of the DNN. This includes specifying the number of layers, the type of layers, example dense layers, LSTM or CNN, and the number of neurons in each layer. Python. Import TensorFlow as TF. Model equals tf.chars.sequential. tf.chars.layers.dense, 64, activation equals relug, input underscore shape equals input underscore dim. tf.chars.layers.dense, 32, activation equals relug. tf.chars.layers.dense, 1, hashtag output layer for regression. 5. Training the model. Python code is used to train the DNN on the training data. This involves defining loss functions, optimizers, and metrics for evaluation. Python. Model.compile, loss equals mean underscore squared underscore error, optimizer equals atom, metrics equals may. History equals model.fit, train underscore data, train underscore labels, epochs equals number underscore epochs, validation underscore data equals val underscore data, val underscore labels. 6. Model evaluation. Python programs are used to evaluate the model's performance on the validation and test data sets. Metrics like mean absolute error, may, mean squared error, MSE, and others are calculated to assess how well the model is forecasting sales. Python. Val underscore may equals model.evaluate, val underscore data, val underscore labels. Test underscore may equals model.evaluate, test underscore data, test underscore labels. 7. Hyperparameter tuning. Python scripts can be employed to perform hyperparameter tuning, such as adjusting learning rates, batch sizes, or the number of neurons in hidden layers, to improve the model's performance. 8. Inference. After the model is trained and validated, it can be used for making sales forecasts on new data. Python programs take care of pre-processing new input data and using the trained DNN to make predictions. Python. Sales underscore forecast equals model.predict, new underscore data. 9. Monitoring and maintenance. Python code can be written to monitor the model's performance in a production environment and trigger retraining if necessary to keep the model up to date with changing sales patterns. In summary, Python plays a crucial role in all stages of implementing a deep neural network for sales forecasting in AI models. It's used for data preparation, feature engineering, model construction, training, evaluation, deployment, and ongoing maintenance of the model. Python's rich ecosystem of machine learning libraries and frameworks makes it a popular choice for developing AI-based sales forecasting systems. In summary, the loss function serves as a critical component in the training and evaluation of machine learning and deep learning models. It quantifies the model's performance by measuring the error between predictions and actual targets, and it guides the optimization process to improve the model's accuracy and effectiveness in various tasks. Thank you.